In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare assets in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how different assets relate to one another is crucial. Let's dive into how to efficiently overlay charts in TradingView to enhance your analysis. First, open TradingView and bring up the chart of an asset you want to use as your baseline for comparison. Once you've got your primary chart set up, take a look at the top toolbar. Here you'll find a plus sign. This is the Compare button, which is your key to overlaying additional assets. Next, click the Compare button. This will allow you to enter the symbol of the other asset you'd like to add to your chart. Make sure you know the exact symbol, as TradingView requires precise inputs to fetch the correct data. Once you've entered the symbol, you're ready to choose how you want to display this new asset, and TradingView offers a few options to suit different analytical needs. The first option is to use the Same Percentage scale. What this does is adjust the secondary asset so that the percentage change of both assets is reflected on a single scale. This is particularly useful for viewing relative performance over time, allowing you to see how each asset is performing in comparison to its starting price. Alternatively, you can select New Price Scale. This option adds another vertical price scale to the left of your existing chart. It's ideal if you want each asset to have its own independent price scale. This can provide clear insights into absolute price movements without mixing scales. The third option is particularly helpful when you want a completely separate perspective of the new asset. New Pane creates a distinct chart panel below the existing one. This way, each asset is isolated in its own space, making it easier to compare without overlapping lines. Once your assets are overlaid, you can fine-tune the chart settings to enhance readability. You might want to switch between different view modes, such as line, bar, or candlestick, depending on how you prefer to interpret data. Adjusting the colors can also help clarify which asset you're viewing at a glance, which is particularly beneficial when dealing with multiple overlays. There are several benefits to overlaying charts this way. For starters, spotting trends becomes much simpler. You get a visual sense of how different assets move in relation to each other over time. Identifying correlations and divergences becomes more intuitive, helping you determine if assets tend to move in the same direction or diverge under certain market conditions. Additionally, having multiple relevant assets on the same chart can notably improve your trading decisions. It gives you a broader perspective and reduces screen clutter, allowing you to make the most efficient use of your screen space. By consolidating multiple charts into a single view, you can maintain a clean and organized workspace, which is key to making strategic decisions. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to conduct in-depth asset comparisons on TradingView. Use these tools to enhance your trading strategy and make more informed decisions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring TradingView's features to better align with your trading goals.